Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm actually going to remove the rear sprocket nut. That's a Ducabike black nut, and I'm going to replace it with the red one, only because I want it to match the red rear wheel nut that's going to be coming on the opposite side of the drive, which is on the wheel nut side. So that's going to be red, right? So it's ordered, it's common. So finally we found a solution. And then this one's going to be replaced. So I just put some thin painter's tape on it just to protect it a little bit. I'm going to use one of these breaker bars. It's I believe a 48 inch. Can't remember. Anyways, and one of these things, this one's 41 millimeters for the drive side, sprocket side. And on the opposite side, if you flipped it around, it's 46 millimeters. And that's really for the wheel side. And I think it was like 40 bucks off Amazon. Looks like really good quality. So we'll test it out for the first time. There we go. Get them off pretty easily. All right, so here we go. I removed it, if you notice. No marring, because I put the little thin painter's tape. And on the replacement, you'll see that I cut out the packaging, left the plastic on the outside first, because it's a nice little tip that I've learned that you could just install it with this on, and this stuff protects it. The plastic actually protects it. So I'm going to get rid of this middle one, but this other stuff protects it, and you don't have to tape it up. So, and I'm going to apply some white lithium grease, Lucas oil stuff, just to make sure it doesn't seize up or anything like that. Changed my mind, actually. I just went with this regular old STP grease. It's a Moly, right? So I just used one of these, super cheap at an auto store. So tightening this up. So I'll have the protective cover on it. All right, have it on there finger tight. Now, I torque this down to 150 Newton meters. That's what it's actually listed on the actual nut itself. So I'm just going to torque it down. Well, I'm going to have to apply a little bit more brake to it, I guess. There we go. There we go, 150. That's it. And there you have it, guys. We'll remove the plastic covering. Simple as that. Not a scratch on it. Now I just got to find the holes and pop it in. I think I found it. Sure did. That's all she wrote. There you have it. Installed. Took maybe 7 minutes with getting all the parts and tools necessary. That's it. Comment down below. Let me know what you guys think.